Are you searching for the best household window automatic water spray? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best household window automatic water spray in 2025, which save you time and money. Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2, it's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 5. Window Cleaning Robot Liectroux HCR10 Water Spraying. Liectroux HCR10 Window Cleaning Robot, Ultrasonic Water Spray, Ultra-Thin Robot Vacuum Cleaner for Window, Home Glass Wiper, Dry and Wet Mopping, AI Route, Remote Control, 30 ml Water Tank, UPS Power Off Protection, Strong Safety Rope, Brushless Motor. Features: Automatic Water Spray with 30 ml Water Tank. Applicable on glass of any thickness. Artificial Intelligent Technology applied. Long Distance Remote Controller. Brushless Motor. Fan. Auto return to original point after work completed. Fast cleaning speed up to 2 minutes per square meter. Specially designed fiber mopping cloth. Built-in uninterruptible power system. UPS. 3 auto cleaning modes. Highly reliable anti-falling algorithm. Auto and manual remote control. High strength safety rope holds up to 150 kgf. Low power consumption.